Okay, now let's solve this password problem. May 2015 HPGE. So, in its natural state, soil mass has a unit weight of, list na agad natin. So, unit weight, that's the moist unit weight. Hindi ko nalalagyan ng subscript. So, automatic na yan. 21.7 kilonewtons per cubic meter. Natural state daw yun. So, when fully saturated with water, the soil weighs 22. So, 22.57 gamma sat. 57 kilonewtons per cubic meter. Then this one is S equals 100 or 1 na lang para naka-decimal. So if its moisture content is 8%, so ito yun. Ito yung tumutukoy sa moisture content na 8% kasi natural state daw. So what is the porosity of the soil? So here we'll be having two solutions. Yung isa, the conventional. And how you solve? So may dalawa pa tayong hahanapin dito. We need to find the specific gravity and void ratio. And the other one is a shorter derived solution. Okay, so ang gagawin natin dito is alam natin na ang general formula dyan is GS, G sub S, plus SE, pero pwede ring omega GS, di ba? GS plus SE over 1 plus E times gamma water. So, yan yung general formula for unit weight. So, ayun nga, madederive natin yan. So, for gamma dry, lagyan na lang din natin gamma dry. Ibig sabihin, 0 yung S. Tama? Or sige. So, if S is 0, or degree of saturation is 0, so gamma dry yun. So, it implies that gamma dry is equal to, so yun pa rin, GS, wala nang S, E, wala na yung second term kasi 0 sa S. So, over 1 plus E and gamma water. Okay, then yung isa naman is kapag saturated, that is S is equal to 100 or 1 na lang. 1 na lang. So, that's gamma sat. Formula naman yun eh. GS plus, ang S ay 1, so GS plus E na lang over 1 plus E times gamma water. So, yun. Diba? Alright. Anong gagawin natin dyan? So, here, we'll be using two equations to unknowns. So, kailangan mapalabas natin, yun nga, standard G, yung conventional, palalabasin natin si specific gravity and si void ratio. So, if here for gamma, for bulk density or moist density, so unit weight is, ayun nga, sa GS plus, since ang given is moisture content, so gawin natin GS plus WGS. Or, pwede ko na i-factor out si GS, 1 plus W na lang ito, 1 plus omega. Right? Over 1 plus E times gamma water. So here, we'll be doing some algebra para matrain na rin. Para di kalawangin. Tax algebra. So we're going to modify or arrange, simplify fractions, expressions. Okay, so dito we'll have a value of the gamma. So dito sa gamma, pero di ko pa siya gagamitin agad. Ano ko lang 21.7. Ilagay ko lang 21.7 din ang moisture content ay 8% or in decimal 0.08. And gamma water, of course, dapat alam natin yan, 9.81 kilonewtons per cubic meter. Okay, so kung simplify natin to, we have gamma plus times 1 plus E. That is equal to GS. Lagay ko rito sa gamma water, then 1 plus moisture content. Okay, when simplify natin yan, distribute gamma plus E gamma. That is equal to GS gamma water. Then plus GS gamma water times moisture content. Tama? Okay. So ang gagawin natin dyan is, ito di ba ang unknowns? Void ratio and specific gravity. So ang gagawin natin is, gagawin natin siyang the table form, yung naka-format na sa Caltech natin. So that will be, so yung GS na lang gawin kong una. O sige, GS, factor out ko na yan. Or di ba pag nagsusulat tayo ng ano, di ba ano, di ba ganito? Ano ba pwede? Red na lang. Di ba ganito? Ay, laki naman yan. So, di ba ganito tayo pag nagsulat? So, AX plus BY plus C. Parang ganyan. Or equal C. Sige, naka-equal sa C pala. Ganyan siya sa Calc, di ba? So, dapat gawin natin eto, yung GSIX, tapos yung EIY. Or pwede mo pagbaliktarin, ito bahala. So, lahat ng katabi ni GS ay gagawin nating A or yung coefficient niya. So, we have gamma water, then plus, ano pa? Gamma water, uy, kulang to. May omega pa yan. So, yung isa ay omega times gamma water. Bago yung GS. Tama? Then, sunod, yung E, transfer ulit natin. So, minus gamma times E. And that is equal to gamma. So, ito yung first equation natin. Diba? So, in terms of coefficient ni GS, coefficient ni E, and yung constant. So, ganun. Ganun din gagawin natin dito sa kabila. So, we will have gamma saturated. So, that's GS plus SE, diba? So, SE na lang over 1 plus E times gamma water. So, for the gamma saturated, so 22.57. Then, ito lang yung meron, alam natin, 9.81. The rest is unknown. So, ayusin natin sa gamma sat. Dito muna tayo para ano, isa kang lagay na lang ng values. So, that's 1 plus E is equal to GS plus E times gamma water. Okay? Simplify or expand gamma sat plus E gamma sat. Tama? That is equal to GS gamma water plus E gamma water. So, ayun. So, GS plus E ulit. Pero si GS na lang yung may iba dyan. So, that's GS. Or ano, gamma water muna pala. Gamma water times GS. Tama? Then, plus yung papaloob natin. So, that's gamma water. Then, yung E, ilipat din. Minus gamma sat. Then, yung E. Then, equal to gamma sat. Ayun, pwede na yan. And that's it. Na meron ka ng two equations. Two unknowns. So, GS and E. GS and E. So, ayan. Pwede na. Let's use a calculator. Oh, yeah. Let's use the calculator. Mode 5.1. So, for gamma water, we have 9.81 plus moisture content, 0.08 times unit weight ng water, 9.81. Tama. So, next minus gamma niya, 21.7. Gamma ulit, 21.7. Okay. Tama. Then, sunod, gamma water. For GS, 9.81. Then, gamma water, 9.81 minus gamma sat, ano yun, 22.57. And finally, gamma sat, 22.57. And that's it. Yun yung GS natin and the void ratio. So, 2.74. Yung void ratio ay 0.33. 0.33786. Sige, okay na yan. 0.33786. So, dito natin makuha yung porosity. Alam natin na E over 1 plus E lang yun. So, ayan. 3.33786. So, di ko kasi ma-store yan eh. So, balik tayo. E over 1 plus E. Substitute natin values. 0.33786. Then, that's it. Times 100. So, 25.25%. Okay, so hindi siya efficient kung hindi naman pinapahanap si void ratio tsaka specific gravity. So, what if gusto mo i-recta yan? So, you have to know this identity. And this is the next other solution. So, again, nabanggit ko itong gamma na general form. Tama? So, nabanggit ko na yun yung general form, gamma. That is equal to GS. Ano yun? Ayun. So, GS plus SE over 1 plus E. Okay, times gamma water. Now, di ba yung SE pwede nating palitan yan ng ano? WGS from sewages, di ba? So, alam naman na siguro lahat nitong sewages or kung ano mang mnemonics nyo dyan. Sewages sa akin eh. Ano ba sa inyo? Guess what? So, ayan. So, gamma, so GS plus WGS. Or again, pwede ko na i-factor out si GS, 1 plus W. 1 plus omega na yan, over 1 plus E. Times gamma water. Okay, so ito, ano to? Familiar ka ba dito? GSE over ito. GS times gamma water over 1 plus E. Diba ito yan? Diba? GS gamma water over 1 plus E. So that's just gamma dry. So ang relationship pala ni gamma dry and gamma moist is kailangan natin si moisture content. So ang gamma dry is just gamma moist over 1 plus moisture content. So that's one of the solution. One of the formula, derived formula. Then, may isa pa. So, what if, ano naman tayo? Yung kay gamma sat naman tayo. So, kay gamma sat tayo. Gamma saturated. So, alam natin that, ano yun, di ba? Alam natin na, okay, wala ko di nag-record. Gamma sat, alam natin that that is GS plus E over 1 plus E times gamma water. Okay, so di ba familiar to? E over 1 plus E. Ito yan eh. Diba? So, yun na yung porosity. So, antay ka lang. What if i-breakdown natin yan? So, like ganito. So, GS gamma water over 1 plus E plus E over 1 plus E gamma water. Ano mangyari? Diba ito? GS gamma water over 1 plus E. Gamma dry na yan. Gamma dry. Then plus E over 1 plus E. Porosity yun. Times gamma water. So, ito yung gamma sat. Oh, yan yung another formula for gamma saturated. Kung given ka ng dry unit weight, porosity, gamma water. Pero ang hinahanap natin is si porosity. Pwede natin gawin, modify gamma sat minus gamma dry over gamma water. Di ba? Kung madali na lang, gamma dry, kunin natin. Kailangan natin makuha si gamma dry. So, gamma moist, 21.7 over 1.08. Tama? 21.7. Ayan, 1.08 kasi 0.08. Tama? Yeah. I-store ko to sa D kasi gamma dry. Dry nga. So, 20.0925. Paulit-ulit ba yun? 20.0925. And that's kilonewton per cubic meter. Kung gagamitin natin, gamma sat minus gamma dry. Gamma sat ay 22.57 minus gamma dry all over gamma water, 9.81. Then multiply natin by 100 since porosity yan. Then that. Voila! Ang bilis. 25.25%. Okay, so actually hindi lang yan yung additional identities. Meron pa bukod sa well-known na identity or yung formula. Meron pang identities. Yan. So isa yan sa makakatulong din gamit na gamit. So that's it. So kung naalala niyo yung may proving identities kayo nun sa geotech nyo kasi kami meron eh. So, pinrove namin yung sewages, yung Ito, pinrove gamit yung basic na formula, yung naka-in terms of volume, naka-in terms of weight. So, ayan. Ayan. So, gamit yan sa board exam. And that's it. So, you solve this problem. So, the answer is letter D, 25.95%.